Toyota Corolla Smart Key not working with Autel iKey? Here's the real fix they don't tell you. This might shock you, but if you try and program a Toyota Corolla 2021 Smart Key with the Autel KM100 using an Autel Toyota iKey, and it's flashing incorrect key type, you're not alone. In fact, you're likely doing everything right, yet still hitting a wall. So what gives? Welcome back to Baabji Motors, your ultimate pit stop for solving the unsolvable in automobile diagnostics. Today, we're diving into a really frustrating problem many of you have faced: why your Autel Toyota iKey won't work with a Toyota Corolla 2021, even though it seems like it should. Here's the real question. Do you know why the Autel Toyota iKey fails to register as the correct type for the 2021 Corolla? If you think you've figured it out, drop your answer in the comments before we reveal the solution later in the video. Let's test how sharp your diagnostics game is. Before we dive in, just a quick but essential note. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. All demonstrations and insights shared here are intended to help technicians, DIYers, and car enthusiasts better understand diagnostics and vehicle programming. We fully respect copyright and trademark laws. Everything here is shared under fair use. Always follow OEM guidelines and local laws when working on vehicles. Now, before we move on, most of you watch these videos, get helped, get smarter, and drive away without subscribing. Seriously, it just takes one tap and helps Baabji Motors stay alive. So, let's do something together. Let's hit 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments within the next 24 hours. And hey, if this video genuinely helps you, show some love with a super thanks. It keeps this channel rolling strong. Now, buckle up. Let's decode this Corolla mystery. Imagine this. You got a 2021 Toyota Corolla sitting in the bay. You're all set to program a new smart key using your trusted Autel KM100. You slot in an Autel-branded Toyota iKey because, hey, it's labeled for Toyota, right? But then the KM100 throws an error. Incorrect key type. Please use a non-Toyota universal key. Wait, what? That's right. The key that should work doesn't. You're now second-guessing everything. Is the key defective? Is the vehicle incompatible? Did Autel mess something up? You triple-check firmware updates. You check compatibility sheets. You even scan forums looking for a clue. And all roads seem to lead to confusion. So, let's break it down clearly. Here's the inside scoop. And this is the part nobody tells you clearly. The 2021 Toyota Corolla uses a 4A-chip smart key system. Now, Autel's Toyota iKey is compatible with 8A and 4D chip types, not 4A. So when you're trying to use an Autel Toyota iKey on a 4A chip system, like in the 2021 Corolla, it's like trying to play a Blu-ray in a DVD player. It's simply not going to work. That's why the KM100 shows incorrect key type. It's not a bug. It's not a fault in the tool. It's not even a problem with the key. It's just a mismatch of key type versus vehicle chip type. If this cleared things up for you, let us know in the comments. And hey, if this is the kind of real-world troubleshooting content you value, hit that like button right now. It not only helps the channel, but tells us you want more deep dives like this. Subscribe too, if you haven't already, so you don't miss the next fix that might save your day in the workshop. So what's the fix? Use a non-Toyota universal iKey with the Autel KM100. Yep, that's it. You don't need the Toyota-labeled iKey at all for this vehicle. Just grab a universal Autel iKey that supports 4A chip types, and you're good to go. Program it using the same steps, and it should register just fine. Now that you know this, you'll save yourself hours of stress and probably a few wasted ickeys too. It's important to note that the word Toyota on the iKey doesn't automatically mean it's compatible with every Toyota vehicle. It just means it's tailored to work with Toyota's common 8A/4D systems, not newer 4A types like in the Corolla 2021. This is a perfect example of why it's so important to understand what chip your vehicle uses before selecting an iKey. Vehicle models are evolving fast, and so are their immobilizer technologies. In fact, many 2020-plus Toyota models are transitioning to 4A-type chips as a security upgrade. So if you're programming late-model Toyotas, always verify chip compatibility, not just brand compatibility. You might even want to keep a reference list handy, or better yet, Watch more Baabji Motors videos because we'll keep breaking this down for you. Still with me? Awesome. If you've ever been stuck with a key programming issue like this, I want to hear your war stories in the comments. How did you fix it? Or did it drive you crazy? Let's build a community where we all help each other out. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next real-world case. We don't do fluff, we do facts. At HSR Motors, we believe diagnostics isn't about pressing buttons, it's about understanding systems. The problem we covered today is a textbook example of a mismatch between perception and reality. Just because it says Toyota doesn't mean it's going to work with all Toyotas. The real skill comes in knowing why it fails and how to fix it smartly. So here's what we want to know. Do you agree with us? Should brands like Autel label their iKeys more clearly with chip types instead of just vehicle makes? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read everyone. Let's circle back to the question we asked at the beginning. Do you know why the Autel Toyota iKey fails on the 2021 Corolla? If you said, because it uses a 4A chip and the Toyota iKey only supports 8A/4D, then congratulations. You're officially a diagnostics pro. Here at HSR Motors, our view is simple. When tools and tech don't match up, don't panic. Understand the system. Know your chips. And most importantly, share your knowledge. Before we go, here's a fun fact. Did you know that Toyota's 4A key chip system is designed with increased resistance to signal interception? It's a part of their push toward better keyless entry security, and why tools and keys need to evolve alongside them. If this video saved you time, money, or just spared you a massive headache, do me a favor. Smash that like button like it owes you labor costs. Leave a comment, because your experience might help someone else. Share this video with a fellow tech who might be pulling their hair out right now. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it for the love of diagnostics. Do it for the next Corolla in distress. Do it for Baabji Motors. Thanks for watching till the end. You've just leveled up your knowledge, and we're proud to be part of your learning journey. Until next time, stay sharp, stay safe, and happy diagnosing.